SM Mega Mall. Wow. We're here at, at SM Mega Mall and we are about to see Kong Hepa Choi. Wow. Anywhere you go here in Manila, there's always decoration for the celebration of Chinese New Year. Wow. Now we're here at the Mega Mall. Wow, ang galing, ang ganda. Kasi nga, Chinese New Year. Sinabing Chinese New Year, it's a lot of fun, maraming activities sa mga Chinese community. Isa na nga ito, Mega Mall. Yan, actually hindi lang dito sa Mega Mall. Doon din sa Shangri-La, galing ako doon. Wow, ang ganda ng mga dragon dragon decorations doon. Kasi, pag sinabing dragon, it always remind us about Chinese New Year. Kasi yung dragon kasi is a big deal, big symbol para sa mga Chinese. That's how I know about it. So, eto, makita nyo dito yung mga signs kung saan nyo yung tiger, rabbit, kung year of the dragon ka, uh, year of the snake, the year of the ox, rabbit, whatever. So, doon yung mga parang, yun ang mga mythology nila. So, that will reflect kung anong personality meron ka, anong mangyayari sa buhay mo, yung things like that. Kaya, Kong Hepa Choi. So, yan ang mga maririnig natin dito because it's Chinese New Year. Of course, ito yung isang enthusiast natin. Yan, wow, very color, very red na red. Mega Mall. Marami ditong pasyalan. Ang ganda. Everywhere you can see Happy Chinese New Year. Wow. Pag Chinese New Year, ano nga ba ang pwede natin gawin pag Chinese New Year? Well, all we have to do is, offer siguro ng pagkain, prepare good foods, saka it's a kind of a family gathering, especially for Chinese, sa mga Chinese communities. So, it's a tradition for Chinese. Kaya yung iba, mga Filipinos, ginagawang tradition na rin. Yung Chinese New Year, Kong Hepa Choi. It's inside and out. Kaya kahit dito sa labas, may decoration na in preparation for tomorrow's. Kaya tamo yung isang yun, no? Wow. Celebrity for the Chinese New Year. Wow. Still in the SM Mega Mall, and it's not only the Chinese decoration na makikita natin. Ito, meron silang statue dito. It's made of stainless, but I'm not sure anong ibig sabihin niyan. But later we'll find out. So, dito na rin lang tayo sa SM Mega Mall. Sagad-saga rin na rin natin. Halika, ipapasyal ko kayo. Ang galing talaga. Woo! Yes! Mega Mall! Wow, look at this statue. It's made of a stainless steel. Well, in my own opinion, this statue resembles the people now of today. More people are into computers, internet, electronic, things like that. That is why the head is like a square, which resemble computer. So big, incredibly made for this mall, SM Mega Mall. Talagang ang ganda dito sa Mega Mall. But there's one thing, sa dami ng tao, talagang hindi na maiwasan ng traffic. Kaya yan, maganda yung mga lights nila. Pero sa traffic, wow. Yung mga traffic lights, it adds up the light here at Mega Mall. Dito sa Mega Mall, pumasok ka dito, pati dito, tad-tad ng decoration for the Chinese New Year. O ano yan ang masasabi mo dito sa Mega Mall for the Chinese New Year? It's all red, a lucky color for Chinese New Year. Wow, at eto pa. Since it's Chinese New Year, wow, itong store na to, buy one, get one free pa. Talagang may promotional sila for the Chinese New Year. Kaya itong isang mamimili na to hindi pinatawad. Galing. Kung Hepa Choy!